Hey everyone, if HandBrake is not encoding your video, like it gets stuck, fails instantly, or doesn't start encoding at all, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through step-by-step ways to fix HandBrake video not encoding, so you can export your files properly. First, restart HandBrake and your computer. This clears temporary system glitches that often stop encoding from starting. Next, check your input video file. Make sure the video is not corrupted and plays correctly in a media player before trying again. Try changing the output format or preset. Incorrect encoding settings can sometimes prevent the process from starting properly. Run HandBrake as administrator. This gives the software full permission to access system files and begin encoding without restrictions. Make sure you have enough storage space. Low disk space can stop encoding from starting or completing successfully. Disable hardware encoding if it's enabled. GPU-based encoding can sometimes cause conflicts depending on your system. If it still doesn't work, update or reinstall HandBrake. Outdated or corrupted installation files are a common reason for encoding failures. So yeah, those are the best ways to fix HandBrake video not encoding. Follow each step carefully, and your videos should export without any issues. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy solutions. All right.